Hello, everyone. It's Jeanne reconnecting to share my excitement about Victory with Ash. Now, many of you probably already know that that's a free learning platform and community created by Ash Mufara to be a bridge from where we are right now into better versions of ourselves, better prepared for the big, bold, beautiful dream that is coming directly after and is being created as we speak. So, as we get ready to cross this bridge, and this is the reason for my video today, my hope is that we approach it like children and not as a been there, done that, seen it all, any preconceptions of any kind, but as children, like playing in a sandbox, experiencing life for the first time. And something never been done before and creating something magical. That's a different state of mind. And so that childlike mentality is wide eyed, taking it all in, no filters, full of wonder. This allows our minds to stay open to new information, to new insights, to new data. And that is how we actually learn. So if we enter into VWA, Victory with Ash, carrying our old notebooks of everything that we've learned before, then we actually make it much harder for ourselves to grow. And if we assume we know nothing, like a child comes in fresh and new, and we drop the old, then our minds can have a novel experience and literally carve new neural pathways and learn and grow and transform. And that's the goal, right? So as children, we learn to feed ourselves, to crawl, to walk, to tie our own shoes, and all of these things from that fresh baby mind, all of these things help to move us forward in life. And Victory with Ash is no different. We are learning things that are completely new, and it is moving us forward. And so if we keep our minds resilient and flexible and expandable, then we open ourselves up to really absorbing the information that's going to be provided there and really transforming so that we can make a difference. This journey has always been about lifting people up, enabling people to reach their full potential. That's always been the goal. And that's how we're going to go out into the world and make a difference and change things. But so my reason for doing this video at all is to say, let's go in like children with our minds open and flexible so that we can really absorb this new information. Let's not assume we already know some of these things. Let's just go in like a clean slate. And so I hope this is exciting for you as well. I hope you'll join us on this journey. It's so awesome to reconnect with you, and I look forward to next time. See you. Thank you so much for watching.